Hi guys, this is how to make a video but with audio. Yes, audio voice that I made. I accidentally made the other one with no audio or voice. Hold on. Alright guys. So if you guys didn't know, and if you guys don't feel comfortable about my voice, all you gotta do is go to camera, the video. Have you seen the video? And then what do you have to do? Go to YouTube. Go here. On short right. And then boom. I wasn't talking at the time because I was on YouTube. So I'm gonna, just in case you missed it, like when there's no audio and how to make a thumbnail, I'll do it again. So you just gotta download this. Then go here. Then make whatever you want with these. Right now I already made one. So I had to make a video tutorial. With audio. Audio. Hold on, guys. All right, guys. Well, I didn't mean to do that.
Did you scroll down? I'll see what that is.
With audio. This is made on the same day, by the way.
How to make a video with audio.
So I'm saving the image, and you guys will see this on the channel. Well, if you're watching this right now, you may think that I'm like, what are you doing? You already uploaded it, but I didn't actually upload it right now. I'm just making it right now, and then I'm gonna put it on YouTube. I don't know if you guys actually know about that, about being a YouTuber. If you guys are just a guest, well, and you're a kid and you don't have your parents' email and whatever, sorry. But I'm gonna upload this since I'm on. See you guys later.